Hello, welcome to today's Insta Live series 109 Health Hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. Welcome all new joinees. Hi, my name is Dr. M.K. Shivani and I'm a medical professional, serial entrepreneur and 3P lifestyle coach where I'm helping, inspiring and guiding people to have a 3P lifestyle, a life of complete balance with peak health, peak energy, peak productivity towards peace, progress and prosperity. So today I am going to cover 8 types of wellness. I have finished many organs and their care. I have also covered various diseases, also covered how emotions affect your organs. Today I am going to start a different series so we can go topic by topic. I am going to cover, it is not only your health is related to your physique, but it is 8 types of wellness. So we'll discuss what are those 8 types of wellness we should have to have a complete super healthy lifestyle, and then later on we'll go one section wise. So first is your physical wellness, that contains about your health, how your physique will be, how flexibility and how your diet will be. So your physical wellness is first because that produces immediately the energy. The second is mental illness, and I have already given some tips about the mental wellness, how you can have your mental quotient, emotional quotient, that is about your mental wellness. The third is environmental wellness. Wherever you are sitting or wherever your presence is there, the atmosphere there has to be maintained well. So that is called environmental wellness. The fourth is financial wellness because it is directly related with your health. If there is something up and down in finances, it affects the emotions, and as you know, the emotions affects the organs. Later on is the spiritual wellness. Whatever you believe in, it is not about the religion, but as a person you have to bring out your potential, and it is your best version of yourself. Then next is the vocational wellness. Maybe you are a housewife, but how you can perform your duty, whatever you are doing, the 100% at peak and the world class and the maximum. Vocational, you can learn many skills because you keep on developing the new skills which will bring you the more wellness. After that is the emotional wellness. I also discussed how emotions affects organs. The emotional quotient and your adversity quotient is very important. How you face any situation and how you come out of that. The last is the social wellness. How you well connected with your family and friends and relatives. If you are performing well in all these 8 areas, will reflect on your physical wellness. So if you are completely doing all activities and performing in all, we will have a better wellness. I am going to go section wise. Mostly it will be the physical wellness. We have covered many things, but I would also like to focus on mental, environmental, spiritual, vocational and emotional and social wellness. To start with now, I will again repeat the 4 pillars of your physical wellness is exercise. If you are not exercising, please make a habit to do at least 15 minutes of exercises. And this is the very common habit that we keep on postponing, and we are not consistent about the exercises. The more the age, more exercises you should do for the more flexibility. A stands for attitude. Optimistic attitude in any given situation is recommended. Not having a negative attitude. If you are going through negative situations, how to switch over from negative to positive, we'll discuss about that. R is a rest, about your 6 to 8 hours of sleep and what are the sleep disorders, why you don't get sleep, what you can do to get a better sleep, how to get up early, how to sleep early, what are the advantages of getting up early, we'll discuss that. And N is nutrition. Nutrition is a very important part because what we are, what we eat, but we are not only the physical body that we are eating only because to survive. We are surviving people survive only to eat. It is not like that. We have to eat so that we produce energy and we survive. But it is not, your wellness is not related only with your physical body. We consist of 5 bodies, that is Annamaya Kosh, then there is a Vijnanmaya Kosh, different type of Kosh, different bodies are there, which is a little different. Maybe it is a new thing for you or for teenager or the beginners, but it is a time now you understand we are our beyond physical body. Physical wellness is the first thing, but with that we have to care of all wellnesses. Whoever has joined, thank you for joining this. We are starting the new series. You can see my videos on my IGTV where I have covered different organs, heart, liver, kidney and lung care, how we can tips for that. We also covered the mindful eating. We also covered the various diseases like what should be the diet in pregnancy, thyroid patients, then diabetic patients, and different kinds of issues people have thyroid and how you can take those tips particularly and how diet should be. This is a series. Now we are coming towards 8 types of wellness, and see you for tomorrow's Insta Live. Thank you for joining. Those who are new can go to my links and subscribe to all my social media channels, because I put a valuable content on different social media like YouTube, then Anchor podcast and blogs. You can visit that and subscribe to that. Thank you for joining once again, and have a great day, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Signing off, Dr. M.K. Shivani.